What's up guys, it's Steve from Digital Unraveled here, and in today's video I want to talk about the new update that Snapchat just made where they updated the half swipe. So previously you could go into your chats, and I'll just load up my other phone's Snapchat right now. So I've loaded up my other phone, and as you can see on the left hand side is my chat that I have open on my other phone, and I have received a new chat on my current phone. So previously, before they updated this half swipe, you could press down on the person's Bitmoji and then swipe to the right hand side, and then you would previously be able to go ahead and read the message without them knowing and without them having to see that you opened the chat. So as you can see, the chat is still unopened. Let me just swipe to the right and try read the entire message. So there's the message, and I can go back and it still says new chat. Now I haven't updated my Snapchat, that's why the update of the half swipe notification isn't popping up. But now if you go ahead and update your Snapchat app, what's going to happen if you try and half swipe like this, you're going to see on the other phone your Bitmoji icon is going to appear just like it is on the left hand side over here. So it's going to show that you are half swiping the message. So that pretty much eliminates the half swipe feature with this new update. Now a lot of people aren't happy about this new update. They go into places like Twitter. They don't like the fact that they show the Bitmoji in the chat now when you go ahead and half swipe. So to get around this for now, just don't update your app. But in the future, if you do want new Snapchat features, you will need to go ahead and update that. So let me know your thoughts about this in the comment section down below. I would love to know. And if this video helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more social media tips and trends. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.